In this video, we will be discussing the Project Communications Management knowledge area, which focuses on ensuring that project stakeholders receive the necessary information in a timely and effective manner. The first process in Project Communications Management is to plan communications management. This involves developing a plan that outlines how project communications will be managed and how stakeholders will be informed about project progress. The second process is to manage communications. This involves ensuring that the project communications are distributed to the appropriate stakeholders in a timely and effective manner. The third process is to monitor communications. This involves monitoring project communications to ensure that stakeholders are receiving the necessary information and that any issues are addressed promptly. An example of the project communications management knowledge area in action is when a project manager is managing a construction project. The project manager would use the knowledge area to ensure that stakeholders such as the owner, contractors, and subcontractors are informed about project progress, any delays, and other relevant informations. The project manager would develop a communication plan outlining how and when stakeholders will receive project updates and use it to manage the distribution of information through emails, meetings, and other forms of communications. The project manager would monitor project communication to ensure that stakeholders are receiving the necessary information and that any issues are addressed promptly. And that's it for the project communication management knowledge area. By effectively managing project communications, project managers can ensure that stakeholders are informed about project progress, any issues are addressed promptly, and the project is completed successfully.